Visual Studio. Set focus to text editor. Is there a shortcut to set the focus easily to the editor where my code is? I don't want to cycle through anything or hide something else. I want a direct shortcut to jump with the focus to the editor. My focus is anywhere in VS and I want to set it to the editor. Example scenario. I'm writing code, focus is in the text editor, and then press F5 to run the code. The output view opens and gets the focus and even keeps it even if the program has terminated. I now want to switch the focus back to the editor without using the mouse. Or I switch focus to the Solution Explorer with Ctrl+Alt+L to look something up and then want to go back to coding without touching the mouse. I'm using Visual Studio Professional 2017 if it makes any difference.
You can simply do it by hitting one of the following. Ctrl+Tab, Ctrl+F6.
In Versus 2022, I think it's set to ESC by default. The keyboard command is window.activate document window, which can be found here if you wanted to assign it to a different keyboard shortcut. Tools is greater than options is greater than environment is greater than keyboard is greater than window.activate document window.
I find the action. Workbench.action.focus active editor group. So bind something with that, like Ctrl+Q. To make the shortcut work through terminal. Add it to setting.json.
There is no such shortcut for Visual Studio, but you might create one with the help of this AutoHotkey script. I have chosen here the F4 key, but you may choose any other key. After installing AutoHotkey, put the above text in a .ahk file and double-click it to test. You may stop the script by right-click on the green H icon in the tray bar and choosing Exit. To have it run on login, place it in the startup group. A solution for returning to the text editor while Visual Studio has the focus is by using the hotkey Ctrl+Tab.
Editor management. From this URL, and for other operating systems, this URL
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.